Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Xiaomi Buds 5 with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now open the charging case, and after that press and hold connection button for at least 3 seconds. Now we can see that LED light is start flashing, so it means that it's enter to prank mode. So yeah, we can connect it, click on it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.